Earlier this year, NASA faced a critical decision that could have ended Voyager 1's mission. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 relies on roll thrusters to keep its antenna aimed at Earth. After years of using backup thrusters, due to primary failure, engineers feared both systems might fail as residue built up in the fuel lines. With only ground antenna capable of contacting Voyager 1 going offline for upgrades in May, NASA took a risky step to reactivate the primary thrusters, dormant for 20 years. The March 20th test was a success, reviving hopes that the spacecraft can stay operational through its 50th anniversary in 2027, NPR has reported. Despite aging hardware, both Voyager probes continue to provide valuable data about the outer of the solar system and interstellar space.